Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix storage almost full alert on your iPhone. If you are trying to taking a picture or trying to downloading anything or you're having the issue that you get a pop-up message again and again that your storage has almost full. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you just have to open your settings here and you just have to go for general here and then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage, almost 5 to 10 GB free to run your iPhone smoothly. Or if you don't have enough storage, so you can try to delete your larger files including your apps, your videos, or if you have downloaded any movies, so you can also try to delete that. So I'm going to delete any app from here which you usually do not use. So for example, I'm going to delete my Instagram app. So you just have to tap on it and then you'll find the option of delete app. Select that, then select delete app. It will completely delete your Instagram app and it will help you to free up your storage. In this way, you can easily delete that unusable apps in your iPhone, and once you have deleted, your issue will be almost fixed. Or if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have a simple way. You just have to keep a backup of everything on your iPhone, including your photos, your videos, and also of your accounts and contacts. And after that, you can make a factory reset of your iPhone. It will erase or delete everything from your iPhone, including your photos, videos, your contacts, your accounts, or everything which you have on your iPhone. It will delete all of your installed apps. So you can easily try this. So first you have to get a backup, and then go for general settings, go for transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, and here you just have to select the continue option and follow the specific steps, and your iPhone will be completely erased and you will not get the same issue again. So in this way you can really fix the issue if you are getting the pop-up message that your storage almost filled. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.